Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Let Us Eat. My name's Luke.
And I'm Destiny.
And today we did crepes. This is our actual first time ever making crepes. I've never made them. And, you know, Destiny here. I
try my hardest.
She does, and she did a good job. All right, hope you guys enjoy.
So that was a lot of crepes.
Yes, that was. So we're actually going to do a little something different this time. And I think from starting on, we're going to try the crepes and all our foods now.
And we're going to try getting our initial reactions to our food that we make.
Dig in.
I was going to wait. You can get your
okay.
bite.
Are you sure? Ooh, ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here.
Here.
You just want all the
breeze.
Chink. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
2 hours later.
I really like this.
You just like the filling.
It's so good. It's good.
Yeah.
I think like if you put fruit in it, I think that would give it more of
an extra layer.
Spunk.
Yeah. Nice one. Apparently. What's it remind you of?
That reminds me of a
They're not gonna know if you don't tell.
Ice cream cone. Like
a soggy one?
A soggy ice cream cone.
Oh yeah, that's what a crepe is, a soggy ice cream cone. I think of it as a very thin pancake.
Oh, but
I mean, it's good.
Kind of chewy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. These are vegan crepes. It wasn't that hard to make. I mean, it was time intensive, but
yeah.
I mean,
pouring every single crepe layer.
Making sure that you don't burn them.
Yeah. But it was good. I enjoyed it. Well, we want to know what you guys want us to make. So please leave a comment after this video and tell us what you think we should make.
And then if you guys have any questions for us, leave those in the comments below and we'll answer those in the next video.
Yeah. Appreciate it, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and like this video. We appreciate it, guys. Bye. Bye.